What's up mga kabit? Kamusta kayo guys? Meron na naman ako sa inyong i-share na NFT marketplace. At ang maganda rito guys, no, for game assets with play to earn and for non-blockchain games. So, silipin natin guys, meron silang video ni ready for us. So, let's see. 3, 2, 1, action! You know. NFT marketplace. Buy and sell ang mga NFT games and NFTs. Proof of gaming. So, we will earn by getting din tong Ulti Arena token. No? Ang daming games, guys.
Wow!
Okay. Join our pre-sale. Solid. Mukhang maganda to, ah. Pero let's see pa rin, guys, no? Silipin natin to. See you at ultiarena.com. I-check na rin natin guys yung YouTube nila. Yan. So, Ulti Arena NFT. Pwede nyo visit yung YouTube nila to know more. Ayan. Buy and sell games. So, halos ito rin yun no? Yung pinanood natin kanina. So, ayan yung kanilang token. Ulti. Alright, so silipin natin guys yung website nila. So mabilisang silip lang guys sa kanilang website, no? Tingnan natin kung okay ba to. By the way, ito yung contract address ng kanilang Ulti token. So total supply nila guys, 204 billion. Total burn is 45 billion. 149 million naman yung reflections. Liquefied, 149. Circulating nila is 3.2 billion ha. Market cap is 6.2 million dollars. Ayos, current price, nako sige. Mukhang aakyat itong coin na to pero depende pa rin guys pagka talagang fully operational na yung kanilang marketplace. Tingnan natin kung saan na sila pwedeng bilhin. Ayan, Pancake Swap. Pwede nyo tingnan guys yung presyo nila sa CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, ayan, sa Hotbit yan, Exchanger yan, RVC and Partners, Remote Control Production, Frag Games, Pragmatic Coders, EAT Softban, ATSoft, and Chainlink. And guys, pag kayo sumisilip na mga NFT marketplace tokens and mga projects guys, maganda na pumasok kayo sa mga community nila syempre para mas makakuha pa kayo ng added information about the particular token. And of course guys, you can visit din syempre yung mga social media accounts nila which is Twitter, Reddit, Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. Syempre guys, makikita nyo rin siya sa Cointelegraph, Crypto Daily, Coinfomania, and whitepaper.io. As you can see, meron silang 6% tax deflationary token, 2% every time someone buys or sells Ulti token. And they give back 2% to all token hodlers. So, kung ikaw ay merong Ulti token, meron ka syempreng income for hodling. So, ganun naman guys pag ikaw ay nag-a-add ng liquidity sa mga token, syempre meron kang reward. And meron din sila guys na 2% deflationary burn on each transaction. The Ulti supply is limited and there will be even less Ultis. So, aakyat ang presyo every time syempre na kumukonti na yung supply. And syempre guys, sobrang importante nito 2% automatic liquidity pool. That's forever locked, no? Para syempre, lets the dev team and all hodlers sleep well at night. And guys, ang maganda pa dito is you can join the community of game artists, developers, and gamers. So, kahit gaano kaganda yung token, yung NFT game, yung marketplace, at kung ano-ano pang crypto, make sure na do your own research pa din and never trade, guys, yung money you can't afford to lose. Para safe ka. Para safe din syempre yung money mo kasi pinaghirapan mo yan. So guys, no, i-browse pa nga natin to. Okay, Ulti total supply 204 which is natakin na natin kanina. Yung tokenomics nila guys that rewards Ulti holders. So if you're holding itong token na to, of course, gaya na sabi ko kanina, you will earn a certain percentage for hodling. So guys, ito babasahin ko we believe that a strong community should be rewarded. At such we decided. So guys, babasahin ko we believe that a strong community should be rewarded. As such, we dedicate 30% of all platform fees to buyback and burn. It not only incentivizes the community to hold Ulti tokens but also provides a way to stabilize the token price. So sobrang importante syempre yon. Sige guys, scroll down natin. Buy Ulti token on Pancake Swap. So yan, may contract address nandito sa taas kung gusto niyo. Pero syempre, do your own research pa rin bukod dito sa pagre-review natin para mas safe po kayo. Ito guys, sobrang importante players can use their proof of gaming. Proof of client syempre to gain yung Ulti tokens na yan. And ito yung mga games na pwede dyan. Yung Call of Duty, Fortnite, Dota 2, League of Legends, PUBG, Mobile Legends, and kung ano-ano pang games. And guys, I just wanna mention na this year guys, fully operational na itong Ulti Arena. And guys, meron silang dinidevelop yung Ultimate Battle Arena. Ang maganda dito, yung Ultimate Battle Arena is NFT collectible items. And yung Ultimate Battle Arena guys, NFT collectible items yan. Ito yung mga card game na pwede mong i-flip over. And yung NFT na yun guys, pwede mo ilagay sa profile mo. Kung sa tingin mo attractive to sa'yo guys, no, ilalagay ko yung link sa description ng Ulti Arena para ikaw mismo ma-review mo siya. If you think guys na attractive tong Ulti Arena, sige ilalagay ko yung link dyan sa description and kayo mismo pwede nyo siyang reviewin gaya ng sabi ko. Kung may natutunan ka guys sa video na to, added knowledge sa'yo, please hit the like button and thank you so much for subscribing and hitting yung notification bell para every time meron tayong update or bago, updated ka. Maraming salamat guys sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pag-review nitong Ulti Arena. Thank you so much and God bless.